Alright, y'all, so we're going to begin by setting up this organizer for our utensils. We decided to go with black to match the finishes in our home. I really love that I can adjust it to fit any drawer in the kitchen. And yes, I'm going to clean this organizer entirely. 9 times out of 10, I'm going to clean anything that I'm setting up. So I became a little impatient for it to dry, so I got a paper towel and trying to wipe it dry, but that still didn't really do it. And before y'all even try to comfort me saying we need new utensils, we got some. They're just boxed up. I haven't pulled them out yet. I'm going to wait till we have some guests and I pull them out. Unfortunately, this package did not come with agave stickers, and we don't have no peppermint, so we're just gonna, act like everything's cool and smooth and keep rolling. So I felt like the coffee station was still missing something, so I ran to Hobby Lobby to go get a vase and some flowers. And I have to say, I'm quite disappointed in Hobby Lobby. I don't know where all the good vases went to, but it's not there. But luckily I found this vase. And I love that these tulips feel so real. Now, if you don't want flowers, you can very well add a coffee sign. However, I didn't grab one because technically our bar is a tea bar. We don't drink coffee, so the sign wouldn't really make sense. So for now, this is our final setup. I do need more gold mixing spoons, but you get the picture. I do think the flowers made it look significantly better. But stay tuned. We'll see what's next with the updates in our new apartment. Thanks for watching.